on Horner Road, showcasing this well-presented, semi-detached home, benefiting from driveway and garage parking, generous room proportions throughout, and conveniently located within walking distance to the Hinkley Point C pickup point. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing of this lovely home, or maybe evaluation on your own property, then please do get in touch.